To begin, go to the Edit Code section, then click Customize Theme. Select Add Section and choose a section name like RI Bundle, a Bundle 3. In this section, you can customize the bundle box. Set the background color, text color, and border color. You can also round the corners by adjusting the box radius and define the minimum number of products required in the bundle. Select a product image to represent your bundle visually. This image should reflect the key item or overall theme of the bundle to attract customer attention. Add a heading with options to change font size, color, and alignment. You can also adjust the heading settings for mobile view to ensure it looks great on all screen sizes. Customize the section background, including the background color of the heading and the box. You can match the border color to these settings for a clean and unified design. Include a description to explain the bundle contents or highlight any special offer. Adjust the font size, line height, and color to improve readability across devices. For pricing, input values for the first and second boxes. You can fine-tune the font size, text color, and layout. Button colors, borders, and hover effects can also be styled to match your brand identity. The price text can be styled separately for active and inactive states, helping guide customer interaction and focus. You can add a product description with its own font and color settings, ensuring it's readable and visually consistent. This is useful for explaining features, benefits, or usage details. Spacing options like margin and padding can be used to fine-tune the section layout. You may also enable or disable elements like buttons or borders depending on your design goals. Lastly, always preview your section on desktop and mobile devices to ensure responsiveness. This helps guarantee a professional, seamless experience for your customers.